everyone, Jennifer here. I hope you enjoyed my previous homeschool video where I talked to you about all things homeschool, why we homeschool, how we homeschool, and all of that stuff. So I will leave that video linked below. But in this video, I wanted to give you a tour of our homeschool room as promised. So here we go. Okay, so this is our homeschool room. And we're very fortunate that this was a downstairs bedroom that we don't need. So we have used this as our homeschool room. And those shelves against the wall are from Ikea. And these two desks right here, along with the green chairs, those are all from Ikea as well. We just have a bunch of mismatched old furniture in this room. Now I'm shooting this after the holidays, so we had a bunch of holiday crafts on the wall and we've taken most of them down by now. But this is what the room looks like, and it's just really pleasant because we can sit here and do our work and we have a nice view of the backyard. And this window just has a great view of the pool and everything. So this is where the girls do their work, and I'm usually sitting in the chair on either side helping them. And over here on the bookshelf, we store their curriculum. And I also have a few of my own books here too. So we have some art project craft books here. I have diapers because I'm always with the baby down here as well. We have my older daughter's curriculum, some of her curriculum up here. And then there's more here. By the way, I love these books by, what's this? It's Lamplighter, Lamplight Press, let's see. I believe it's Lamplight is the publisher. But anyway, we have my younger daughter's readers here. She uses the Abeka program. So she has all of her readers here. We just have construction paper. I spy some Madame Chic books down there. In the baskets are various things. Like for example, in this basket, we have math manipulatives, flashcards, and all sorts of things. It's a bit messy in there. Then my daughter's Abeka curriculum, my kindergartners is down there. And I have the curriculum that we've already gone through down there on the bottom shelf. And that's pretty much it. So on this wall, the dry erase board is critical. We just use it every single day. You can see the baby is drawn underneath it. Underneath there, I just keep a few things for the baby. So keeping the baby happy is a big deal. So we have also other toys for him. We have Magnetiles and things like that. Of course, we have a map of the United States of America, which is important. I want to get a world map up here too. And that's it. So they each have drawers beside their desk and they keep things in their drawers. But it's just a very peaceful room. We love being in here. I play classical music from that little recorder over there. We have this old sofa that was a hand-me-down, and it's a very nice sofa. I'd love to reupholster it. But as you can see, the baby has drawn all over it, so I'm afraid to reupholster it right now. But that's our homeschool room. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Let me know in the comment section if you homeschool how you like to rearrange your space. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Daily Connoisseur, and I will see you soon. Bye.